Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got a little boost, ego boost. A couple of months ago, I went to a small ham fest in Lakeland, and one of the setups was a booth with the U.S. Coast Guard. And I was thinking, why is the U.S. Coast Guard at a amateur radio ham fest? Well, after talking to them, it turns out that they are looking for volunteers, and especially volunteers that have a ham radio license. Not that you're going to use your license helping them or working with them, but it gives them an indication that you have at least some knowledge of radios and stuff like that. So after talking to them, I said, what kind of things can an old fart like me do? And they said, well, there's a whole bunch of things you can do. You can teach classes like boating safety classes. You can work some of our radios for us once you've gone through some training. And I think here's the pamphlets they gave me. This is what I'm talking about here is the U.S. Coast Guard Auxiliary. And here's some of the things they do. They do safety and security patrols, search and rescue, mass casualty or disaster, I guess relief, pollution responses and patrols, home security, recreational boating safety, that's teaching the classes, and doing inspections, commercial fishing and vessel exams, platforms for boarding parties, I'm not sure what that is, recruit for all services in the Coast Guard. So there was, I think, 3 or 4 people there in their uniforms like this guy right here. And he wanted me to sign up. And I said, well, I am pretty old. And he says, are you breathing? And I said, yeah. He says, you're qualified. So here's some of the things they do, some more things. Pretty cool. And it really gave me a boost to know that I'm not totally useless. I get told that a lot, but I'm not totally useless. So it was kind of exciting. So check this out. If you got some free time and you want to help the Coast Guard out, check it out. Check out, let's see, do they have, this is in St. Petersburg, and I'm trying to find a website. There it is. Excuse me. join.cgaux.org. That's where you can find out some more information. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.